There comes a moment in life when you realize that chasing someone doesn't make them love you. It only makes you forget your own worth. Too many people believe that the more attention they give, the more affection they'll receive. They text first every day, cancel their own plans, ignore red flags, and slowly lose themselves trying to keep someone interested. But here's the truth. People rarely value what is always available. They value what has confidence, peace, and purpose. The real power begins the day you stop trying to force someone to choose you, the moment you stop begging for attention, overthinking every message, and living for someone else's approval. Something incredible happens. You become magnetic, not because you're playing games, but because you're finally standing in your own value. Confidence has a quiet voice. It doesn't need to chase, it doesn't need to convince, it simply knows its worth. When you stop making another person the center of your world, you become the center of your own. And strangely enough, that's often when people begin noticing your absence. This isn't about manipulation. It's not about pretending not to care just to make someone jealous. It's about genuinely caring more about your own happiness than someone else's inconsistent attention. The less desperate you become for validation, the more attractive your energy becomes. Today's message will reveal why emotional independence changes everything, why walking away can be your greatest strength, and why the person who values themselves the most often receives the deepest respect. If you're tired of chasing, tired of wondering why someone doesn't appreciate you, then stay with me. These lessons might completely change how you approach relationships, and more importantly, how you see yourself. Have you ever noticed that the harder you chase someone, the farther they seem to drift away? You check your phone every few minutes, hoping for a message. You replay conversations in your mind, wondering if you said something wrong. You give more of your time, more of your attention, and more of your energy, believing that if you just love a little harder, they'll finally see your value. But that's where so many people lose themselves. The moment your happiness depends on someone else's attention, you've handed them the power to control your emotions. Every text they send makes your day. Every delayed reply ruins your mood. Every small sign of affection gives you hope, and every moment of silence fills you with doubt. That's not love. That's emotional dependence. Real confidence begins the day you stop chasing and start choosing yourself. Choosing yourself doesn't mean becoming cold or selfish. It means remembering that your life has purpose beyond one person's opinion. It means investing in your dreams, your health, your family, your career, and your peace of mind. It means waking up every morning asking, how can I become a better version of myself? Instead of asking, how can I make someone love me? People are naturally drawn to those who have a full life. Why? Because confidence is attractive, purpose is attractive, peace is attractive. Think about the people you admire most. They aren't constantly seeking approval. They don't beg for attention. They know who they are, and they refuse to shrink themselves just to make someone stay. When you stop making someone your entire world, something remarkable begins to happen. You laugh more, you worry less. Your conversations become more natural because you're no longer speaking from fear. You stop trying to impress people and start expressing who you truly are. That change is powerful. Many relationships fail because one person slowly loses their identity. They stop spending time with friends. They abandon hobbies they once loved. They put their dreams on hold. Everything begins to revolve
Over time, the relationship feels heavy instead of exciting because there's no individuality left. Healthy attraction grows when two complete people choose to walk together, not when one person disappears trying to keep the other happy. The strongest people understand a simple truth: love should add to your life, not become your entire life.
When someone notices that you're happy with or without them, they begin to see your value differently. They realize your attention is a gift, not something they can always expect. Your presence becomes meaningful because it's given freely, not desperately. This isn't about creating distance to manipulate someone. It's about building a life that feels meaningful even when nobody is watching. Imagine waking up every day excited about your goals. You're learning new skills. You're taking care of your health. You're spending time with people who genuinely appreciate you. You're becoming stronger emotionally and mentally. Suddenly, whether someone texts you back in 5 minutes or 5 hours doesn't determine your happiness anymore. That's freedom. Ironically, this freedom often makes you far more attractive than constant pursuit ever could. People respect those who respect themselves. When you know your worth, you stop accepting excuses. You stop chasing mixed signals. You stop convincing someone to choose you because you realize the right person won't need convincing. Instead of asking, why don't they love me? You begin asking, does this relationship bring peace into my life? That single question changes everything. Your energy shifts from fear to confidence. Your focus shifts from chasing people to building your future. Your heart shifts from seeking validation to creating fulfillment. And that's where real attraction begins, not in desperation, not in endless pursuit, but in the quiet confidence of someone who knows they are already enough. Remember this: the person who values themselves never has to beg to be valued by someone else. When you choose yourself first, you don't lose love. You create the kind of life where healthy, genuine love has the chance to find you naturally.